road trip. Let's hop in the car and then let's see what the surprise is, guys! Guess what, guys? I have a surprise, but my parents don't want to tell me, so I'm super excited. We're on our way there, and I'm super excited to find out what it is. Now we're just in a traffic jam with the countdown. We're still on our way to the surprise. There's a train in the left, a bus in the middle, and the cars in the right. Look at the train! Choo choo! Choo choo! So excited, what could it be, guys? So I'm just waiting so long. So guys, I'm just waiting a few minutes before my surprise. I'm so excited what it could be. Oh my gosh, this is Spam Foodtruck! I'm so excited to eat here! I ordered this, the cheeseburger, and the Salpicao. This burger looks so good. Yummy! I'm drinking a juice and Spam. What Spam means? Special Processed American Meat. It was discovered in 1937 by J. Hormel. Are 30 different kinds of Spam. So this is the Spam Light, and this is the Spam 25 less sodium. Outside of the United States, the South Korea, who is the most Spam. Let's discuss about the food pyramid, guys. In the bottom of the pyramid, you should eat mostly often. In the bottom are healthy food choices. The one in the top, you have to eat it less because it's like the tip. So you have to eat it only a little. Guys, in the top are high in fat and calories. Fast foods are the one we're going in the Spam Cafe. We should eat it rarely. Guys, remember to eat processed meat rarely. Only eat it as a special treat. Last time where I ate Spam is 3 months ago, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video today. Please click the subscribe button down below, ring notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up. Bye, friends! I hope you subscribe and see more videos! I just ate it in a special